Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to cancel auto renewals on GoDaddy. First, go to godaddy.com and log into your account. Click your profile icon in the top right. Select Renewals and Billing. You'll see a list of all your GoDaddy products. Check the box next to the service you want to cancel. Click Cancel Auto Renewal. Confirm by clicking Cancel Renewal again. Choose your reason for canceling, then hit Next. Pick any final option and click Next again. And done. Auto renewal is now turned off. And that's it. That's how to cancel GoDaddy auto renewals. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.